Some gadgets are made for work, others are made just to blow your mind. Look at this. It's completely see-through. It feels like a piece of glass on your desk. This is the YUNZII X98. The brand says is art meeting next level typing. It costs around $100, and today I'm going to tell you why it's staying in my personal collection. Is it just wow effect toy, or is it a serious tool? Let's find out. Hey, welcome back to TechDuo. Before we dive into this transparent beauty, I have a question for you. Very important question. Which keyboard brand do you want to see next on this channel? Drop the names in the comments right now. We read everything. And if you decide to pick up the X98 after this video, use our promo code for 5% discount, link in the description. Now let's talk about why this 96% layout is actually top tier. If you love tech that look different, hit subscribe. We find the widest and best gear so you don't have to. Their unboxing experience is genuinely premium for the price. I actually love YUNZII unboxing. We have several keyboards in our collection, so it's always genuine. You get a separate case with extra keycaps and spare switches. The cable is high quality Type-C with a very cool protective cap. The X98 comes in white, purple or pink, but white here means totally clear. It's a 96% layout, which means you get the numpad, but it's compact. It weighs over a kilogram. It's heavy, yeah, it's solid. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. It feels like a crystal tank. The biggest selling point? These transparent keycaps. They are top tier. Rounded angles, smooth texture. Because the whole board is clear, you can see how tire-packed the inside is. There is a zero impact space. The logo on the front is actually metal. The dongle is hidden under a magnetic metal plate. They really work on the detail here, but let's be real. Transparency has a price. If you don't know your layout by heart, it's hard to see the letters. The keycaps are a bit more slippery than standard PBT. The keyboard is about the emotions, not just a utility. It uses snow linear switches, pre-looped 52 grams of force, very fast, and it has a gasket mount with layers of sound foam. And listen to this. The sound is deep and clean, not plasticky at all. What about RGB? This is where the X98 wins. The RGB is incredible, you see it, because the whole base is clear. The light doesn't just stay under the keys, it glows through the entire frame. It has south-facing LEDs, so it doesn't blind you while you type. You can control, of course, everything with hotkeys, brightness, speed, and patterns also. This knob is lifesaver. It's also transparent. It has nice trickle click, and the keyboard supports web soft UMK and VIA. That is huge. You can remap the knob or any key right in the browser. It's nice to have. What about battery? Of course, battery life 1000 mAh. With the much RGB, it lasts about 45 hours. Turn the light off and you get 320 hours. It's a fair trade for this level of brightness. So, who is the YUNZII X98 for? It's for the collector. It's for the person who wants a wow effect. But surprisingly, it's also for the person who wants a great typing experience. It's a high quality product, really, that happens to be an art of peace. Is it my new daily driver? It definitely could be. It doesn't satisfy performance for looks. It has guts of an enthusiast bird in a body that looks like it's from the future. Don't forget our promo code for discount, link in the description. Subscribe and hit the bell, and tell me in the comments, is a transparent keyboard a yes or a no for you? Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!